be for gym account, it could be for makeup, for whatever topics you have. Find account that works, okay? Find account that gathers a lot of people from the industry. And then I want you to go down in the comment section and I want you to start replying to these people, right? Somebody said, well, that's awesome, right? You reply and said, I find this video amazing, the skills of the person, whatever you find to be the best fit for the comment section, okay? You can actually send a direct comment to the person, to the actual creator. This is how you're going to engage with the people. Then the people will come back to your account and they're going to look your pictures, your surfing pictures, your surfing trip or whatever you do, right? Just think about if you have a business with, let's say, hairstyle, right? And you have plenty of hairstyles that you have done. You have plenty of pictures, videos, things that you already achieved. And you go on the other people's profiles and you're just commenting, engaging with them, starting a conversation. Don't invite them to go over your page, okay? Don't do it. Don't try to steal other people's, engagement and transfer to this your own page, right? Don't do it. The smart way to do it is to show that you also know a lot about the topic, right? You want to show them, hey, I also have a lot of knowledge about the topic, and you show up here, or you show up on other people's content, and you show up and say, for example, Jim, look at this. You can show up over here and say, hey, that exercise works so well. I've done this in the gym, and there will be a lot of people, yeah, I tried this ball. And this is how essentially you engage. And guess what? People not going to reply to your comments if they don't check your profile. If people reply to your comments, it's a very high chance that they already check up your account, and even higher chance that they're actually going to follow you after you start, having second or third comment on the original comment. This is how you build a relationship, guys. Meaningful relationships that are based on the same interests.